In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CMS in Webflow 2026 Full Tutorial. We're walking through how to set up and manage content using Webflow's CMS so you can organize information once and reuse it across your site with confidence. Start by opening your Webflow project in the designer. This is your main workspace where the left sidebar holds the tools you'll use most often. Look for the CMS panel in that sidebar. Clicking it opens the Content Hub for your site, where all of your dynamic data lives. Inside the CMS panel, you'll see an option to add something new. Click the plus icon to create a CMS collection. In Webflow, a collection is like a spreadsheet table. It defines the structure of a type of content, such as blog posts, team members, or events. Each row in that table is an item, and each column is a field like title, image, or description. Next, you'll be presented with collection templates. These are helpful starting points for common content types, pre-loaded with extensible fields. Choose a template that's close to what you need or start from scratch if you want full control. Either way, you can customize the fields to fit your content. For example, you might keep a name and main image, add a rich text summary, or include a date. Rename fields to match your voice, keep slugs short and clear, and decide which fields must be required. A quick tip, plan your fields with your future content in mind so you won't have to restructure later. When your fields look right, click Create Collection. Webflow will set it up instantly. If you used a template, you'll see pre-configured fields ready to go. If you built it yourself, you'll see your custom structure. Don't worry, collection settings are flexible, so you can tweak fields whenever you need. With the collection created, you can add, delete, manage, or edit its content. Use the new item button to create your first entry. Fill out the fields clearly and consistently so your site displays clean, reliable data. Edit items anytime by opening them from the list. If you need to remove something, delete it carefully and confirm, especially if it's used in multiple places. For ongoing management, keep items organized with clear naming, use descriptions to help collaborators, and review fields periodically to keep your structure lean. You can also reorder fields in settings to make data entry faster for your team. And that's it. Your CMS is set up and your content is ready to be managed in one place. Congratulations.